So, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hayam al-Madani, AGS resident R3 from Asir Central Hospital. I joined Dubai World Laparoscopic course. I really enjoyed it. I would like to thank Dr. Mishra and Dr. Bella. They're wonderful teachers. We had so much fun in our theoretical part. It was really detailed, and we enjoyed the clinical part as well. And I would like to thank everyone who also participated in this course, and I really recommend it. Thank you all.
I'm Lida Anwari. I'm gynecologist here in Dubai, and I have heard about the courses long ago, even in the UK, when I start practicing as gynecologist, and I like these courses. It's very informative and very detailed, comprehensive, and I advise everyone, especially gynecologists and starters, to attend once. Okay.
Hi, my name is Dr. Angel Mejia. I'm from Mexico. My experience for this course is great. I have recommended this course for doctors, urologists, urologists, gynecologists. It's very, very nice course. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Bougis. I am a urologist. I am so happy to join World Laparoscopic workshop in Dubai. I get many knowledge about my skills, and I know my defect, where is it. So I thanks all the organizer here in this workshop, including the professors, Dr. Mishara and Dr. and also the other organizer. Thank you very much. I'm finished.
My name is Dr. Karman Sadiq Muhammad. I am participated in the training course in the Laparoscopic Institute. It's a very successful course. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate all of the staffs here, and it's very informative. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Adnan Habibullah. I am from Senegal, a surgeon from Senegal, and originally from Mauritania. So it's been a great pleasure for me to be part of this fellowship. It was a really good experience. It really improved our techniques and all our informations. And I want to thank the organization for everything they did and all the team for their work. Thank you.
I am Dr. Saad Shahrani from Saudi Arabia. I am very happy to join this course with Prof. Mishra and all his colleagues. We gain a lot of information and a lot of skills that will help us in the future working. And I am advising everybody to join this course to gain whatever we gain in this period. Thank you very much.